With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, which of the following material is most suitable cooking utensil? And we have to answer this question in terms of conductivity and a specific heat. So the conductivity should be high. Conductivity should be high. Conductivity should be high so that it can conduct heat. It can conduct heat through itself to the cooking material so that the conductivity should be high, and the specific heat should be low. Specific heat should be low so that it immediately attains the temperature of source so that the cooking becomes easy. So the correct option is option second. Conductivity should be high and low specific heat. So this is the final answer. I hope you understood. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.